Taking your bike on the bus is simple, but it can be daunting if you've never done it before. This video walks you through the process for each of our different buses. If you're ever feeling unsure, communicate with your driver and they'll be happy to help. We'll start with our standard 900 series buses that cover most routes all over the city. When the driver pulls up to your stop, they'll note that you have a bike with you and will give you plenty of time to load it on the rack mounted on the front of the bus. If the bike rack is empty and in the upright position, follow the prompts on the stickers. Squeeze the handle to release and lower the rack. Bikes should be loaded starting closest to the bus. This makes it easier for other passengers to add their bikes to the rack as the bus continues along its route. Read the labels to make sure your bike is facing the right direction for the space you're using. Once both your wheels are situated, pull out the hook near the bottom of your front wheel all the way, giving yourself enough room to slide it up around the top before releasing the hook so that it settles snugly onto the bike tire. Don't forget to grab your helmet, water bottle, and any other personal items you have on your bike. Items may shift during your ride, and you don't want to lose anything. When you're approaching your destination, don't forget to pull the cord to signal that your stop is coming up. It's helpful if you give a quick heads up to the driver that you'll be getting your bike off the bus so they know to give you plenty of time to unload.
I'm going to grab my bike at this stop.
Thank you for letting me know.
To unload your bike, release the hook and pull it back around your tire. If there are other bikes on the rack, you'll have to remove your bike by rolling it out of the rack toward passenger side of the bus. If you're riding art, taking your bike on the bus is a little different. Your bike actually comes along with you right onto the art bus. Remember to board using the back doors when you have your bike with you. The bike boarding area is labeled on the art platforms. Just look down. When the bus is fully stopped at the platform and the doors open, let any passengers get off the bus first and then roll your bike onto the bus with you. The bike holding area will be just in front of the rear doors when you enter. Again, read the stickers that instruct you how to position your bike. Your rear wheel should be secured between the metal bars toward the front of the bus, with your front wheel pointing toward the back of the bus. Along the window, you'll find Velcro straps to hold your bike in place. If your bike is closest to the window, use the shorter strap. The longer strap is used for a second bike on the same side of the bus. Loop the strap through your bike frame and secure the Velcro tightly so that it holds your bike in place. If you happen to be a lucky rider who comes across an electric bus, here's what you need to know. Like our 900 series, the electric buses have a rack on the front of the bus, but this one works a bit differently. All the same guidelines apply. Start loading bikes from back to front, following the labels to make sure you're positioning your bike correctly. Once situated, things start to get exciting. To secure your bike, find the lever located near your front wheel. Rotate the lever down and toward the outside of the rack, as indicated by the arrows. Once you pass the halfway mark, the lever will easily complete its rotation, fitting around your front wheel and holding the bike in place. Don't forget to remove any personal belongings from your bike and carry them onto the bus with you. As you approach your destination, pull the cord to indicate that your stop is next. Again, give your driver a friendly reminder that you need to unload your bike. To remove your bike, simply reverse the lever, which will again do the work for you once it passes the halfway point. Once released, slide your bike out of the rack and you're ready to be on your way. Between our buses and your bike, the opportunities are endless. Now that you know all the ins and outs of riding the bus with your bike, we hope you'll join us for a ride soon.